All right. This is going to be installment 1 of the Homestead Hooligans. Homestead Hooligans.
Okay.
So, what are your names now?
I'm Frank and Jim.
All right. Can you tell us what you're doing?
We're loading mags for our Ruger 22s.
Okay, what's a magazine? Is that like something that you read?
No, it's a clip.
Clip.
Put in gun.
Okay, and what are you preparing to do here?
Shoot.
Gun.
Shoot guns, huh? Is this what hooligans do on the homestead?
Yep.
Okay, what are you going to be shooting?
Those targets down there.
Yeah,
All right.
one's a old spray can.
If you're going to shoot a spray can, huh? What will happen if you hit a spray can?
It'll explode.
Could, huh?
Or
Gun
spray a
said
bunch
about
of
it.
things everywhere.
All right. All right, well, I'm hoping that I've got enough audio here to hear you guys, what you're saying. But could you give me an equipment rundown here? What kind of equipment are you using here? Tell me what you got, and be careful where you point that to.
Okay, this is a Ruger Red Hawk pistol.
No, I don't think it is.
Yeah, it says Ruger.
Yeah, but I don't think it's a Red Hawk, is it?
Yeah.
All right, but tell me what you know about it.
It is my brother's, and I don't know much else about it, but
Okay, it's a Ruger, though, right?
Ruger.
What's it shoot?
22.
22
22 rounds.
22 long rifle, huh?
Yeah. 22.
How long you been shooting 22 long rifle ammo?
A few years,
Yeah.
maybe
How old are you about?
9.
9? Okay. And then, what's that? What's that rifle you
It's
got?
a
a
Ruger
Ruger
1022. Actually, Ruger 1022 carbine.
A carbine, huh?
Yep. Automatic.
Automatic? Is that like an assault rifle?
I don't know.
It goes like,
All right. Now, what's the story with the 22? Is that, could it be dangerous?
It could be
yeah, you shoot pigs with it.
Yeah.
if you're using it. Well,
But why don't you run down a little bit of safety for me? You know, talk about safety.
Okay. With the Ruger 1022, always make sure it's clear. And
So
no
when you
bullets in
say
the
clear,
chamber.
what do you mean clear?
No bullets in this chamber
Yeah.
to fire off. Like misfire. Always have the safety on or off. Oh, on.
You tell me, it's your gun. And how many rounds does that one hold?
This magazine holds 10 rounds.
10 rounds, huh?
You can get 25 rounds or a drum mag 200.
What would you need a drum mag for?
I don't know.
Just wasting ammo?
Yeah, and loading.
Now, you guys are kind of young to be having guns like that, but is that a gun that you could have, you know, like for a long time, for the rest of your life?
Yeah.
Do adults have guns like that? 1022s?
Yeah,
Probably.
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah, I've heard that that's one of the most prolific 22 rifles in the United States.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so Frank, why don't you hold up a 22 bullet so people can see what exactly they look like. Some people don't get to do this. Some people are not Homestead Hooligans like you guys. All right. Now, could you use something like this to hunt with?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Good.
probably.
Or what kind of animals could you hunt with a 22?
With a long rifle, you probably couldn't kill a deer, but rabbits and turkeys, they're easy.
Yeah. Have you ever killed a turkey?
We've
Not
never
with the
killed
22.
anything with this. Maybe
No.
hit a few bugs.
Hit a few bugs?
Yeah, right.
Really? When was that?
Never.
Never.
How long you had these guns?
A few weeks or a month, maybe.
Yeah. You get them new?
Yep.
Mhm.
All right. What was the deal on that? Do you gotta pay your dad back on that for
Nope.
Kinda.
in what, labor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Sweet.
All right. Well, let's load up a magazine and then let's see you load these guns and then knock off a few rounds for our listening audience.
I got my magazine loaded.
Do you?
Yep.
Why don't you show us how to put the magazine in the gun and how to charge it, and then fire away.
Well, you see this little hole right here? This mag, right in this little hole.
What, are you from Kentucky or something?
Well, you put the magazine here.
And you push it in.
Yep. And then
Okay.
to get it out,
All right, that's pretty sharp.
and then to charge it, you just pull this lever back.
And let it slam.
Now that's loaded.
Yep.
Okay, so
Okay.
you're going to keep that pointed in a safe direction at all times, and the safety's probably on, right?
Yep.
Okay. Well, why don't you level it off and fire a round off, and we'll just get you firing around.
Okay.
Fire 2.
Okay.
Okay, good. Safe it up. Put the safety on. All right, now I noticed that it doesn't have a whole lot of kick. That didn't kick you very hard, did it?
Yeah.
No?
Never kicked.
But that bullet really wings out there, huh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not very loud. The gun wasn't very loud, was it?
Nope.
So you don't have to have headphones on or anything like that.
Or a silencer, but mine is threaded. That's why it was $100 more.
Yours is threaded, so you could put like a
Silencer.
sound suppressor on there. Would you do that?
No, you don't need it.
No.
It's really the quietest gun.
All right. But it came that way, huh?
Mhm.
All right. All right, Jim, why don't you load up? Take a few rounds. Talk us through it.
Putting it in.
Yep, talk us through it.
Well, you gotta have this mag the right way around. I've learned that it's pretty annoying to not have it the right way around.
Yeah.
Load it in. He said just use that button, push it forward, and this mag will pop right out. The charging handle is right here.
Yeah.
Let it
Now you
slide.
charged?
Mhm.
Okay. Why don't you take a couple rounds, and I got a couple questions for you.
Okay.
Frank, can you get this bucket over here so I can sit on it?
Shoot. Oh, it's on safety. Yeah, it helps to have it off safety when you're flying again.
Okay, put the safety on. Okay. Yeah, so you probably have a round in there, don't you?
I'll just
Okay. All right, so I'm noticing that those stocks, the stocks on those guns are camouflaged. Talk to me about the stocks. Why are they camouflaged like that?
Well,
To
it's
look
mostly for looks. It's not really gonna help you when you're hunting, but in theory, it could help you.
What, so the turkeys couldn't see it?
Yeah, probably.
Take
I
them
don't
down.
think in this state, I don't think we can even hunt turkeys with
Yeah,
22s, not legally.
Yeah.
not legal.
Right. But what's that stock made out of? Is that
Plastic.
plastic, huh? Yeah, so that's a pretty good idea because it won't,
Degrade.
yeah, it shouldn't degrade too much over time, and then you could put a different camouflage color on it if you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, why don't I swing around the backside of you and just let you go ahead and shoot, and then we're going to point this down range so people can see what you're shooting at. I see a box down there. I see a
Dinger.
big steel pot down there and a dinger. So go ahead, have at it. Okay. Okay, safe them up. It's impossible to see this thing in the bright light. Okay. All right, thought we'd show you that, as we do a lot of that around here. And this is my new toy that stabilizes my video camera here. But this is a good thing for them to do, to learn with these small caliber rifles for kids, and to learn gun safety and actually how to control where the round's going to hit, actually shooting skills. And up till now, with these guys, we don't start them off with 22s. Around here, we start them off with these. This is a Red Ryder BB gun. Put your eye out with this thing. But all my kids have started out with those. And then we have...